Hello everybody. Today I'm making Mississippi pot roast. This is a very simple recipe. You only need a few things. First one is going to be the chuck roast. Second, you want a jar of pepperoncinis, 1 packet of ranch, 1 packet of au jus, or this one in case they don't have it. Mississippi roast works fine. 1 stick of butter. All right, here we go. So it's just as simple as this. It's literally just putting these things together, putting it in there for 8 hours. Here we go. First, you want to put the chuck roast in there and add the ingredients on top. Go ahead and add the au jus. Now we are adding the ranch. 1 jar of pepperoncinis. Of course, you want to add the butter now. Now you can always add either potatoes or vegetables to this, but today I'm just gonna add some potatoes and try it out. All right, I added the potatoes. We're just going to turn this on low. Boom, just like that. And then we'll see what happens. All right, we're just gonna cover it up and I'll see you in 8 hours. Here we go. There we are. Nice and juicy and ready to go. Super